What if I told you there's a motorcycle that blends raw muscle with modern tech, a machine that can pin you to the seat with its V4 power while still keeping you connected and in control? Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4, an icon reborn, and one of the most exciting power cruisers of the year. Design. The new VMAX makes a bold statement the moment you see it. Yamaha sharpened the lines for 2026, giving the bike a sleeker, more aerodynamic edge while staying true to its legendary silhouette. From the sculpted tank to the aggressive front end and that massive rear tire, it's built to look as powerful as it feels. Premium finishes, integrated LED lighting, and an improved seat design also add refinement and comfort. Performance. Underneath, the heart of the beast is a thunderous V4 engine, tuned for even more torque and horsepower this year. Acceleration is instant and exhilarating, but also smoother and more manageable thanks to Yamaha's refinements. On highways or city streets, the VMAX feels planted, confident, and ready to unleash at a twist of the throttle. Features and technology. Performance is just the beginning. Yamaha packed in advanced rider aids, multiple ride modes, cornering ABS, and traction control. A crisp full-color TFT display puts everything at your fingertips, with smartphone connectivity for navigation, music, and calls. Add keyless ignition and upgraded suspension, and the VMAX isn't just a powerhouse, it's a well-rounded daily ride too. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 is a true blend of timeless muscle and modern sophistication. But what do you think? Does it carry the VMAX legacy forward? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed this review, share it with your fellow riders, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth looks at the latest two-wheel machines.